Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Boat time, oh yeah.
Jamie, if you're not wearing your gloves,
I'm wearing them.
you thought she was going to give it to you, yeah.
Boat time. And we're moving.
You sounded like that.
And we're moving. And we're going. And we're looking at the waves.
You already know how to drive boats on it. You're like, shut up.
And we're going. And that's Megan. And we're still going. And we're laughing.
Oh, I'm just saying, like, oh, look at that. That's cool. You can live on that.
And we're looking.
Live on what?
And we're going still. And we're singing.
I don't want to wear this.
Sing. And now we're turning. We're turning.
And which little island is he talking about?
Such devotion. Every swim and the rain I can recall.
The motor's running, really?
It doesn't sound like it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And we're going faster. Okay. Anyways, this video was somewhat a success. So, bye.